Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can add the fire protection enchantment to any piece of armor such as helmets, chest plates, leggings or boots using an enchanting table, anvil, or game command. Then you will need to wear the enchanted armor to gain the fire protection. The maximum level for the fire protection enchantment is level 4.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A full set of netherite armor will give you temporary fire resistance so that you will not take immediate fire damage. This means blaze, ghasts, fire aspect swords, bows exc. cannot set you on fire, and each time you come in contact with fire or lava it won't hurt you when it comes in contacts with you for a couple the 15th of February 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is netherite armor fire resistant in Minecraft? However, wearing netherite armor doesn't make you immune to lava or fire damage, and you will still take damage from them. Another unique property of netherite armor is its knockback resistance, which isn't available in diamond armor.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.